that, Noah?
Something large.
I hope so. Awesome. Nice and easy. Just fight them. Tire them out. You're going to get tired, but you're stronger than this fish. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to stop taping in order to net him. But, oh, we're marking fish under us right now, too. Maybe we'll get a double. That'd be awesome. And they're 71 feet down. You got a big guy, though. You got either a lake trout or a big king or something. So cool. Keep working him. Nice and easy. There's no hurry. Don't give him any slack, like I did when I adjusted your drag. Could have lost him there. Still got 178 feet of line out on the counter. Yep, keep that perpendicular to the shore. Feel like a bluegill?
No.
Of course, bluegill fight good, but
This fight's a little more.
is it just dead weight or is he kicking?
He's kicking.
That's the king.
He kind of got tired.
It's either a king or a really big coho. I bet it's a king. Because this was the rod that was 100 foot, right?
Yep.
100 feet down and 106 feet of water. Just keep working him, tire him out. He'll get tired and you'll just be able to reel him up. Until he sees the boat, then he's going to start kicking again. So when he does that, keep it real tight so I can hand line him in and net him. Awesome, dude. You're going to get a big one. When he gets close, don't give him any slack when I'm trying to net him, because he'll spit that hook out. Dude, you got a big king.
How much line do I have out?
Lot. Don't. Keep that tight and perpendicular. If you point it at the fish, you'll snap the line. You can do this. Keep it out there while you're reeling. Yep, you got this. What you can do is you can tuck the end of the rod into your belt and go up. You want me to show you what I mean real quick?
Sure.
Let me set the phone down. You can fight them upwards like this. See what I got in the rod?
Yeah.
Look what I'm doing. You can reel a little, but then I can take the drag a little. Bring them up. Bring them up. Alright, bring them up. You got it?
Yep.
You have more power that way.
Oh, yeah.
Just don't drop your rod tip. There you go.
Oh, there he is.
See him?
Yeah.
Okay, slow down. No hurry. No hurry. Set the phone down. I gotta get my gloves on. You actually saw the fish? I didn't see him.
I saw him jump
That's
up
the
there.
diver.
I know. He's back one. I see him.
Okay. I'm gonna set the phone down so that I can hand line them in. Remember, don't jerk it. When that dipsy gets to the rod tip, you're gonna walk to the front of the boat and keep the line tight. Okay? I'm gonna try to net them, hand line them and net them. Just keep it tight, whatever you do. You can start easing your way back.
What is it?
Slow down. Go nice and easy. Don't jerk it. Keep it tight. Now walk to the back of the boat. No, don't get off. Yeah! That's a coho, actually. It's a nice coho.
Yeah.
Now don't hold him up high because he'll flop and land in the water. I mean, you can hold him up, but don't put him up on the deck. Dude, there's your fish. Now step back a little and hold the fish towards me. That's how you make him look bigger. He's big, he's good size though. Awesome. Good work. You gonna let that largemouth go, Charlie?
Yeah. What do you guys gotta get him?
You can get him?
He doesn't want to come out. What do you gotta do?
You want to swim with the fishies, son? You got to grab him by the lip. He's in all that water. He's going to be hard to catch. Or grab both hands, wrap both hands around him.
Can I get up
Well, he's going to toss the fish in with you.
here?
Lip him.
Can I try to pick one up and put it in?
You got to pinch it hard.
But can I try to pick one up?
Don't be scared of him, Charlie.
I'm not.
He doesn't
yet.
have teeth. There you go. Well, you gotta pinch it.
Well, I'm trying.
You let go. You had them and you let go. You want me
Can
to do
I
it?
try to get a fish in the water? Can I try?
Want me to do it? Is that the? That's not the right one.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. Don't let that big smallmouth go.
Oh,
Are you sure that's the right one before you let it go?
that's itty bitty.
Well, what are you letting him back in there for? He's gonna die.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's okay, Bob. You don't really want to know.
Oh, you want to keep them? You want to mount both of them?
Oh, dude, no.
Throw them in the lake.
Look at that fish, Grace.
There he goes.
There you go. Wow.
Hope he makes it. I think he will. He went right down.
Yeah.